Going into the furnace room, I moved all of the Christmas stuff that had been in the office is now under the stairs. So that's all of the Christmas stuff. This is still going into the furnace room. It's in a lot better shape than it was a week ago. You okay to your big one here? Another one, Tony. Seems a good idea to leave the air filters down here near the furnace. The Christmas tree is still back here, and there was some luggage that had been under the stairs, or some purses and other things under the stairs. They're on this one set of shelves. One or two things that might help your office quite a bit would be to get another set of shelves or two so you can stack things higher in the office. But place is looking much better.